Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: a signed-in Google account, the Google Pay app updated, and your phone online. Once done, open Google Pay and tap your profile to sign in or switch accounts. Make sure SMS and camera permissions are enabled so verification and card scan work smoothly. Next, choose Add Payment Method, card or bank, and prepare to enter details. This step links your identity to the account for secure payments and faster checkout. You now add the actual payment instrument. If adding a card, scan it or type the 16-digit number, expiry, and CVV. Verify the billing address so banks match records. If linking a bank, choose bank account or UPI, pick your bank, and authenticate via your bank app or OTP. Some banks use micro deposits for confirmation. Make sure to read and accept terms. This step establishes tokenization for security, which means Google Pay stores a token rather than your raw card number. You finish by setting a default payment method and turning on biometric or PIN protection for quick, secure use. Then perform a small test payment or send a tiny amount to a friend to confirm the link works. If verification fails, stop and check common issues. Ensure the app is updated, clear cache, confirm SMS permission and correct phone number, and try re-authenticating. If problems persist, contact your bank or Google Pay support with the error code for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.